All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. 3 for 3 today, but unfortunately, I only got 2 of the trades recorded because I was leaving early to go to the casino, where I also had a good day today. So, pretty good day overall. So, you're going to get to see the 2 live trades, and then I'll tell you about the 3rd trade after that. Let's trade. Okay, so first trade was here on Tesla. You can see it dropping very nicely off of the highs. And I'm going to go ahead and start 10 shares here at 688.50. I'll look to add another 10 shares if we can get down through 684. And then the final add would be down through 679 if it could get down towards that range. So it's coming down real nice and strong here. So I go ahead and get that next 10 share lot there. I now have 20 shares at 686.18. And I'm going to do the final 20 shares here if we can get below 680. And I want below 679 just because Tesla generally gives a nice little bump below the whole number once it makes the flush through. But it didn't want to do it, so as we popped up here, I was like, I don't know. Tesla has been real tough lately. I don't know if this is actually going to be a bounce day or not. So I took 75% off there, and I'm going to let the remaining 5 try and run. And unfortunately, today was the day that Tesla really wanted to bounce nicely, and I wasn't able to hold on here for what would have been could have been, woulda, coulda, shoulda been a nice big gainer. But I was taking it careful just because of how the market's been, because of how Tesla's been here recently. So with these last 5 shares, I'm just going to look to get it up through 692. If we can get them up through 692, that'll be looking pretty good there. And I'll probably just take off the whole thing, just front running the moving averages there a little bit, and kind of not even to the top of this big last red candle. So looking for 692 here with these last 5 shares. Can it get up there? Can it push up there? Looking for that push through the 690s first, of course, before we get up there. Here's the push through 690, 691, 692, and there's the fill. So all out there for plus 45. Could have done much better on it, but I wanted to be careful of it just because of how it's been trading recently here in the market. Next trade was on AFRM. You can see this nice big candle move here. You can see it hitting on the scanner. So I go ahead and start 200 shares short here at 1591. Normally here I would wait for it to get through the whole number of 16, but because of the run it's already made, even though that wasn't very intense, and then the big intense move on top of that run, I decided I wanted to front run this whole dollar a little bit. So we're in here, 1591, 200 shares, and we just quickly, just like that, take 100 shares off there as it pops back down into the 50s. Now we're going to look to take another partial here under the 50s. There's another partial there. We now have 50 shares left at 1591. And like I said, there was another trade after this. It was actually on Roblox. It was my best trade of the day. I actually made about 150 on that one, but I had already stopped recording and was getting ready to head out to go to the casino at the time. So unfortunately I didn't get that one recorded for you guys, but at least you get to see the first 2 and get some trades in on the day. So I did have a nice day at the casino as well. Hit a little jackpot luckily there, so I'll take that as well. Overall, pretty good day, can't complain. So anyways, last 50 shares, waiting to see if we can get them down below the 1540s here on AFRM, and I will look to take, well, I think I'm going to take a partial of 25 shares if we can get below 1540. So watching it here, was it 1540? I can't remember. It was so long ago now since I recorded everything, but yeah, 1540, there it was. So 25 shares out there, have 25 remaining if they want to go further, but if not, I'm going to go ahead and put a stop in up here towards the highs. There's the stop there, just over 1580 at 1581. If it stops me out, oh well. And there's the stop out, so plus 67 on that one, so plus 112 on these 2 trades. And like I said, then there was Roblox, which was plus 150, so it was about 260, we'll just call it, on the day profit from trading. Much bigger than that at the casino. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. I'm sorry for the late video. We shouldn't be late tomorrow. Let's trade. I mean, goodbye. Thanks for watching.